Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Coinbase Wallet on iPhone. First, download the Coinbase Wallet application from the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one using your 12-word recovery phrase. Remember to store your recovery phrase safely offline. Finally, set up a strong password and enable Face ID or Touch ID for enhanced security. This ensures your digital assets are well protected right from the start. Now, let's get some crypto into your wallet. You can easily receive assets by sharing your unique wallet address, found by tapping Receive. Alternatively, transfer funds from your Coinbase exchange account with just a few taps. This is often the quickest method. For new purchases, use the Buy option within the wallet to acquire various cryptocurrencies directly using your linked payment methods. It's a straightforward process to get started. Sending and swapping crypto is simple. To send, tap Send, enter the recipient's wallet address and specify the amount. Always double-check the address to avoid errors. You will see the network fees before confirming the transaction. For exchanging assets, use the Swap function. Select the cryptocurrencies you wish to trade, review the exchange rate, and complete the swap in moments. This allows for flexible management of your digital portfolio. Coinbase Wallet opens up the world of decentralized applications and NFTs. Use the built-in D-app browser to explore thousands of applications, from decentralized finance protocols to blockchain games. You can seamlessly connect your wallet to these D-apps to interact with them. Furthermore, your wallet serves as a secure home for your non-fungible tokens. You can view, manage, and even showcase your unique digital collectibles right within the application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.